Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys your Infinix Phone Bluetooth setting guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you connect your earphones to your Infinix phone guys. You want to connect guys your earphones to your Infinix phone, so as you can connect it. And guys, now let's see how to connect earphones to our Infinix phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video guys, I want to tell you guys if you're new in my channel, so I first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys, now let's start the video. And first of all guys, open your phone setting to connect your earphones. So guys, we will scroll it. Then guys, you can see your more connection settings. So guys, tap here. Then guys, we will click on Bluetooth. Then guys, we will on our earphones to connect. So you can see this light mean guys on it, and we will on our Bluetooth guys with refresh guys. So after refresh guys, you can see guys your earphone name. So guys, we will click on guys our earphone name to connect it. Then guys, wait for 3 and 4 seconds. Then guys, you can see this notification. So guys, tap here to connect. Then guys, you can see connect active means guys connected. Then guys, you can use your earphone while watching movies, listening song like that guys, you can use it. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect earphone in our Infinix phone. That's it guys, bye bye.